Well, good afternoon. This is Rich. The market's mostly red numbers all day, despite the fact we had the dollar down almost 3/4 of a full point here today. Normally that would be friendly to some of the commodity markets, but it sure wasn't to corn and ultimately to wheat. I think the biggest negative in the market today was a better chance of rain in Argentina here towards the end of the week, and that really did pressure the corn market. It also pressured the soybean market throughout the day, but and I did make this comment in a speech today that the corn bean spread is pretty tight anyway, and so when we look ahead at new crop, certainly that's a factor. But I think here in the old crop, now that we're starting to unwind some of the strength that had been given to corn due to the dryness in South America relative to soybeans. So the bean market ended up coming back and closing fairly well, while corn ended up negative here at the close, and wheat basically following the corn market once again. Here at the close tonight, March corn down 10.5 cents at 5.93.5. December corn down 8.75 at 5.48 3/4. March soybeans were unchanged at 11.83.5. November soybeans down 3 at 11.86. March cotton down 0.66 at 97.53. December cotton down 0.50 at 92.80. September rice down 15 points at 15.05. July Chicago wheat down 15 at 6.33 1/4. Kansas City July wheat down 20 1/4 cents at 6.71 3/4. Minneapolis Dees wheat down 13 1/4 at 7.58 3/4. Outside markets, I mentioned the dollar being weaker. Crude oil was up 46 cents a barrel at 101.17. Gold up $5 an ounce at 16.60, and the Dow up 84 points at the close at 12,504. So big day there. Well, we don't see much else happening here this week. Export sales are postponed until Friday morning due to the market holiday Monday, so we don't really have anything to look at here tomorrow. I think we'll continue to look, as we've mentioned this week, at the South American weather forecast and at the outside markets for our leadership here this week. Hope everyone has a good evening. We'll be back tomorrow with a wrap-up.